In this video, we are going to walk through how to set up your personalized IHSS Calculator Pro using the IHSS Calculator Pro Wizard. The wizard is where you pre-enter all of your specific information, so the calculator knows exactly how to give you accurate results. It's really important that you take your time and enter your information correctly. Entering your information into the wizard is super simple, but you do need to know a few things first. The first is your monthly authorized hours and your maximum weekly hours. These two numbers are critical. Do not guess. If you don't have your NOA letter or you're unsure of what you're authorized for, call your local IHSS office and they will tell you. The other information you need is your hourly pay rate. If you don't already know it, you can find it on your paycheck stubs, online, or by calling your local IHSS office directly. Once you have your information ready, log into your IHSS Calculator Pro account, and you will be taken directly into the IHSS Calculator Pro Wizard. For this tutorial, we're only going to follow the single recipient path. If you work for 2 recipients, that tutorial is covered in a separate video. All right, let's get started. The first thing the wizard asks for is your provider information. Your provider number is on your paycheck stub. Your provider number is included here in the wizard because it will be included in the calculator and on your saved copy when you're done planning your pay period. You'll see exactly where at the end of the video. Once those are filled in, click Continue. This page just asks how many recipients you work for. 1 recipient or 2 recipients. Since we're only covering the single recipient path today, go ahead and select 1 recipient. When you do, a field will appear below asking for your recipient's first name. Enter their name in the box. In our example, we're using Susie Smith, and then click Continue. This page asks whether you're a live-in family provider with tax-exempt status. If that applies to you, select Yes, tax-exempt. If that does not apply to you, select No. If you selected No, the calculator will let you know that the pay amounts shown are only your estimated gross wages before taxes. Select whichever applies to your situation, and then click Continue. This next step is the most important one in the entire wizard. This page asks for your monthly authorized hours. You are going to enter the exact hours and minutes shown on your Notice of Action letter. It looks like this. The format is hours and minutes. So if your letter says 283 hours and 0 minutes, you enter 283 and 00. Enter it exactly as written. Once you enter your authorized hours, you'll notice the calculator automatically figures out your weekly maximum, how many overtime hours are allowed for the month, and how your hours split across your 2 pay periods. You'll see it in green at the bottom. If your hours include minutes, the wizard will also ask you how you want to handle the split, whether to keep it even across both periods or to put them all in 1 pay period. Either way, the calculator handles the math for you. Take your time on this step. Enter your hours exactly as they appear on your NOA. Then click Continue. The last step is entering your hourly pay rate in the upper box. Once your pay rate is entered, you'll notice a Confirm Values button at the bottom. It's the only way to make sure you entered everything correctly before exiting the wizard. When you tap it, a summary screen will pop up showing everything you entered. Take a moment to review it. Everyone makes an occasional mistake, and we built this feature for just such an occasion. If anything looks off, you can go back and fix it. After you fix it, double-check it again. If everything looks good, click All Good, Let's Go. And just like that, your personalized IHSS Calculator Pro is ready to go. You will see your provider number, your name, and your recipient's name already filled in at the top. We'll cover how to actually use the calculator in a separate video. You now have a calculator that is built specifically for your situation and your authorized hours. Now you can plan your time correctly, maximize your recipient's benefit, and avoid violations. If you found this helpful, share the video with other IHSS providers and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. If you want, leave a comment about this video or share your experience with IHSS. Being a special needs caregiver is hard, but together, we can make it a little easier. Thanks for watching.